Imagine this. You're using your phone as usual, scrolling through your favorite app, then suddenly it crashes. Again and again. You dig through your settings to figure out why, and there it is. A mysterious system app called Android System WebView. You didn't install it, you can't delete it. And no one ever told you what it really does. So, what is Android System WebView? And more importantly, is it watching you? What is Android System WebView? It's a system component developed by Google that allows Android apps to display web content inside the app without opening a browser. Think of it as a mini Chrome embedded in your apps. For example, when you tap a link in Facebook or Gmail and it opens inside the app, that's WebView working behind the scenes. Sounds useful, right? But here's the problem. 1. It's deeply integrated in your system, but hidden. Most users don't even know it exists, yet it has access to everything you do when opening web content inside apps. 2. It auto-updates silently. Google pushes updates directly through the Play Store, yet you have no control, no notification, and no clear idea what changes are being made. 3. It can crash your apps. There have been many cases where an update to WebView caused apps like Gmail, banking apps, and even system settings to crash unexpectedly, leaving users helpless. 4th, potential for data collection. Since WebView handles web content, it could theoretically track browsing habits, app behavior, and even sensitive inputs like passwords or messages, especially if misused or compromised. Could Google be tracking users through WebView? Officially, WebView is there to improve user experience and compatibility. But since it runs silently in the background, has access to web content inside apps, and can receive updates without user knowledge, it raises serious questions about privacy and transparency. How to check if WebView is on your phone? Open Settings. In the search bar, look for Android System WebView. Can you remove or disable it? If your phone is old before Android 10, you can disable it or uninstall updates. But on newer versions, the app is tied to the system itself or to Chrome. And to remove it, you'll need advanced methods like ADB and a computer. Regardless of your phone's version, you can check whether removal is allowed by going to Settings, searching for Android System WebView, opening app details. If you find an uninstall button and want to proceed, just tap Uninstall. So, helpful tool or hidden threat? Android System WebView is essential for many apps to function correctly, but the lack of control, transparency, and potential for misuse make it a double-edged sword. Do you trust it? Do you believe Google should give users more control over such powerful system components? Comment below with your opinion, and don't forget to share this with someone who uses Android every day without knowing what's really running on their phone.